Welcome to this calming session of affirmations focused on inner peace and tranquility. In a world filled with distractions and stress, it's essential to center yourself and find that quiet space within. These affirmations will guide you towards releasing worries and embracing a deep, lasting peace. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, let go of any tension you may be holding. Allow yourself to fully relax as we embark on this journey to inner calm. Inner Peace and Calm Affirmations. I release all worries and embrace inner peace. I am calm, centered, and at peace. I choose to let go of stress and embrace tranquility. My mind is clear and focused. I am in control of my thoughts and emotions. I am surrounded by a peaceful and calming energy. I trust the process of life and allow it to flow with ease. I breathe in calmness and breathe out tension. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. I find serenity in every moment of my day. I am grateful for the peace that fills my life. I am relaxed, centered, and grounded. I let go of all that no longer serves me and embrace peace. I am a beacon of calm and tranquility. My mind, body, and spirit are in harmony. I am at peace with the past, present, and future. I embrace silence and find peace within. I am safe, protected, and at peace. I am aligned with the energy of peace and calm. I am worthy of a peaceful and serene life. As you come to the end of this session, take a moment to acknowledge the deep sense of calm and peace you've cultivated within yourself. Carry this tranquility with you throughout your day, knowing that you have the power to return to this peaceful state whenever you need it. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, gently open your eyes, feeling refreshed and centered.